Hello YouTube, OB2 here, and welcome to Teardown, and today we are basically destroying weird stuff. Oh, whoops. My bad. And ignore that. Ugh, dang it, I hate when that happens. Stupid security software. Anyways, I want to destroy this thing. Which, I don't know if I have God mode on in Teardown. I have to turn down my volume because it is loud. This thing is, like, terrifying. Wait, hang on a minute. I'm stupid. I could do that. Piece of junk. Well, it's a gun, probably still works. I don't know if this thing actually does still work. Does it still work? Okay. Well, I destroyed this thing. Yeah, I kind of want to reset the map and try that again, but with the hacker. I think I have the hacker phone mod. I think either it's called the hacker mod or hacker phone mod. I don't know. Up here it is. And I just want to EMP this stupid thing. Can I EMP all these? Like, I'm going to EMP one of these trailers. EMP 1 minute. How do I select in is it overload lights on a minute or EMP? Oh, what the heck? Whoa! Hang on, does its gun work? For some reason, its weapons don't work. I think I can hide. Whoa, it tripped. Okay, it's tripping. Whoa, easy. I hate the clanking sound. Jeez. Whoa. Oh, I got an idea. This is stupid, but I'm gonna do it anyway. Yeah. This thing is destructible. This thing is crazy. But honestly, I do like how I just cut it in half. Like, I tried to work it to try and reverse the vehicle, but then it started to, you know. It started to go all glitchy, but I don't know. I love my life, honestly, for this stuff. Whee! I think this robot did used to shoot in the past. I showed it on my main channel when I used to do Teardown. Oh my goodness. Holy crap. Well, whoops. Oops. Oh, and I got an idea. Okay, whatever. I think I'm done with this thing. So, yeah, that's pretty cool. What else is there? There's also... Well, these are not the mods that I this is from the workshop itself, and that's where I found that mod. I actually have it, like, on its own, I believe. Like, by itself. There's also another type of mod, which I have... Oh my gosh, I haven't... Backrooms, that seems scary. I don't feel like having nightmares. What else they have? Huh. Looks like they have I think these are just destructive robots. I can't remember. Maybe I should. Can I actually use them? I want to just load it up and use them. Disable, enabled. Okay, now I want to use these things. I want to figure out how do I use them. Oh man. See here, let me see here what this one... Oh, dang it! Closed that teardown by accident. My bad. I'm gonna say this right now, I kind of don't like the character models. You know, I'm gonna just choose the... This is stupid, but I'm gonna use it. Because why not? I know people are gonna complain about it. Okay, there we go. I'm just gonna use it because honestly, I don't like that one. Oh, I don't like. I hate when I do that. When I click into like the mod editor and then just mess around with stuff. Oh, you have the 7-Eleven here. Which honestly, it was like close to 7 minutes when I... Oh, great. That is what they are. I do like the robots, though. They are kind of funny to play with. Okay. And they do nothing to you. They don't... I mean, you can destroy them. I think it's... What does that do? E is to hack them. I forget, do they explode? You know what's funny is I probably could just jackhammer this thing in the face. Oh, a helmet. Oh! Ah! I destroyed one. Oh, it can't walk straight because I blew its leg off. Hold on a minute. This one, I need to hack this one. Wait a minute, its chest is damaged. I thought I had a sniper rifle, but I think I lost that from it. I don't even know what it was from. A fireworks minigun. I'm going to use that on them. Or I could just do this. Wow, these things are heavy. Okay, that works. Hold on, let me reset the map so that way I don't have to deal with that, like, problem of them burning me with flamethrowers. Okay. Wait, can I hack them? Like, without question? Hold on. No, I think it's just the... Wait, is it this one? Or can I hack this thing? Or is it just the brush? Okay, you know what? Oh, hang on a minute. Nope. That was a dumb move on my end, but... Oh. Oh, jeez. What happened to them? Well, that one died. It looks to be in the back is where you're supposed to hit them. Or in the face. Oh, it's like a... I think it's like a final boss battle or something like that. I found one. Oh, they're on the roof. I think I have something else better. Yeah. But anyways, guys, I think it's gonna wrap it for this episode. I'll see you guys next time.